Belichick.
Okay, my name is Maya, and we just wanted to ask you a few questions about the organization that you're doing. And the name of it is Children's Home and Aide, correct?
That is correct.
All right, so where do you see your organization within 3 to 5 years, and how do you plan on getting there?
I see Children's Home and Aide as, well, we are actually a statewide children and family services agency. We've been around for 135 years. We are doing child welfare is our biggest area of service. We do early childhood education, behavioral health, and youth services, and parent support services, actually. So I see us in 3 to 5 years continuing to grow in our service array, being able to bring more families into our service system, being able to just continue to support them. I personally am a member of our policy and advocacy team, which means that we complement our direct services by advocating at the state and federal level for better policies for children and families. So I for sure see our piece of the work growing. We're a small team now, but I see us getting more involved in creating new policy and improving the way that Illinois and the country serves youth and families.
Okay, that's good. What made you want to start an organization such as this one?
What made me want to start in an organization such as this one? I am not from Chicago or Illinois, but I was, when I moved here 12 and a half years ago, I was really drawn to Children's Home and Aide's mission to help children and families create bright futures, and by their strong, consistent leadership, their commitment to the mission, and the services that they provide are something that I was very drawn to.
Okay. So what's the hardest decision your organization has had to make recently?
I would say we have had a couple of, well, right now we're actually had some recent transitions in leadership, so I guess those would be some, I'd say not difficult, but can be challenging situations when you have people that have been in a role and provided very strong leadership for a while, and it's time for them to retire and move on to the rest of their lives. And so having being able to find the right people to be in those leadership positions to take over, but I feel like we've done that well so far and have had some folks in-house step up to take on those roles.
Okay, so how would you compare your program and results to others working in the same field?
So what I do here is a little unique because I'm working in the policy advocacy space. I'm not necessarily working directly with youth and families in a program, but I would say we are unique in that not all agencies are have this dedicated space in addition to the programs that they provide. A lot of times it's, this is an advocacy organization or this is a direct service organization. So that's one way that Children's Home and Aide stands out, is that we're one of not too many organizations that can do that. And in the past year, we have successfully led 2 pieces of legislation to successful passing and signing into law in Illinois, so we're really proud of those results.
That's good. So has any other programs or organizations reached out to partner with you guys?
We actually partner with a number of organizations. We actually lead an advocacy coalition that's statewide that is dedicated to promoting positive outcomes for youth and young adults ages 8 to 25, and so we are partnering with a number of organizations statewide on that effort. We also work with trade associations and the various programs that we provide, whether it's youth services or child welfare. So we have our partners in providing those services, and then our trade associations that help us all work together.
Okay. Those are actually all the questions we have for today.
Okay.
I appreciate you taking the time to talk to us. We really appreciate it. And hopefully we can help expand or have people look into your program, because we really appreciate it.
Great. Thank you so much.